Hi guys, in this lesson we're gonna learn how to use where, the question word where in simple tenses. So let's start with the verb to be. As you know, to be is a irregular verb. So when we use it in simple tenses, it changed the emissary. So here I just give the example with you. So you are at the park. This is a positive sentence. Then when we make it this sentence to the question sentence. So are is moving to the at the beginning of the sentence. So are you at the park? And if you want to add the where, it becomes for the are. So where are you? And let's go to present simple tense. You play at the park. And when we make it this positive sentence to the question sentence, so we add helping verb do at the beginning of the sentence. So do you play at the park? And when we bring the where, it becomes before the do. Where do you play? So do you, then where do you play? So present continuous tense, you are. Here the are is a helping verb. You are playing at the park. And when we change this positive sentence to the question sentence, the helping verbs comes before the you. So are you playing at the park? Then if you want to add where, it comes before the are. So where are you playing now? You see, we add the where before the are. Are you before the helping verb? And let's go past simple tense. You played at the park. So in past simple tense, when we make a positive sentence, we don't use helping verb did, but when we change the question sentence, we say, did you play at the park? And if you want to use the where did you play? So all of them has the same. Let's go to past continuous tense. You were playing at the park. So here the word is helping verb, and it moves when we want to change it to the question sentence. We're moving at the beginning of the sentence. So were you playing at the park? So were you playing at the park? Then when we add the where, it comes before the were. So where were you playing? Where were you playing? And let's go future simple tense. You will play at the park. So here the will is a helping verb. And when we make it the question sentence, will goes at the beginning of the sentence. So will you play at the park? And if you want to add where will you play? Now let's go to the last one, future continuous tense. You will be playing at the park at 2 o'clock. And we change the question sentence and will moving the beginning of the sentence. Will you be playing at the park at 2 o'clock? Then if you want to add where, it comes before the will. Where will you be playing at 2 o'clock?